Okay, so our equation is 7 over 3x squared plus 14x minus 5 minus x minus 1, 6x squared plus 7x minus 3. Now, because the denominators are not the same, we cannot just outright subtract it. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to factor out both of the denominators to see if we can find a common factor. So this 3x squared plus 14x minus 1 will become 3x minus 1 and x plus 5. And the 6x squared plus 7x minus 3 will become 3x minus 1 and 2x plus 3. Alright, so after we have those figured out, we can go ahead and rewrite our equation to say 7 over 3x minus 1 and x plus 5 minus x minus 1 over 3x minus 1 and 2x plus 3. Now, we do have a common factor here, which is 3x minus 1. However, our denominator is not quite the same yet because here we have an x plus 5 and here we have a 2x plus 3. So what we have to do now is make the denominators the same. So we're going to use this x plus 5 and we're going to multiply it here on this equation. And we're going to take this 2x plus 3 and we're going to multiply it over here. So now our new equation reads 7 times 2x plus 3 over 3x minus 1, x plus 5, and 2x plus 3. Subtracted by x minus 1, x plus 5, over 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3, and x plus 5. So now our next step is to multiply the numerators. So we're going to multiply the 7 with 2x plus 3. That's going to get us 14x squared plus 21 over 3x minus 1, x plus 5, and 2x plus 3. Subtract that by x minus 1 and x plus 5, which will become x squared minus x plus 5x minus 5. And so we can go ahead and combine these like terms here, minus x plus 5, to get x squared plus 4x minus 5 all over 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3, and x plus 5. Now we can go ahead and, since our numerators are the same now, since our denominators are the same now, we can go ahead and subtract the numerators. And we're going to go ahead and do that by combining like terms. Now there is a negative sign here, which we can distribute to these numbers. So this becomes negative x squared minus 4x plus 5. And over here we have 14x squared plus 21. Now we've got 14x squared minus x squared, which gets us 13x squared. There's negative 4x here. And since there's no x factor here, then we're just going to go ahead and put negative 4x. And we have 21 plus 5, which is 26. And now we can go ahead and put that over the numerator, 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3, and x plus 5. Now we would next go ahead and see if the numerator can factor out any more, and then we would cross out any like terms to simplify the expression. However, I went through this and you cannot simplify the numerator. So our final equation reads 13x squared minus 4x plus 26 over 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3, x plus 5.